Hello students, in this video, I'll continue chapter number 6, Combustion and Flame. So earlier we had done with the part of combustion. Now today I'll explain what is flame. So what is flame? Flame is a zone of combustion or a combustible substance. Simply we can define flame like this. And the substances which vaporizes during burning, only that substances gives the flame. So example we can see here, that is a kerosene oil and molten wax. These are the examples of the flame. The substances which do not vaporize during burning do not produces flame. So example is coal and charcoal. So here we can see the diagrams also, the figures we can see. Here is a kerosene. When the kerosene, it's a lamp. It is burning due to the presence of kerosene. The flame is produced. And here is a candle. The wax is there. The flame is produced. And these two are the pictures of coal and charcoal. So charcoal and coal, they do not produce the flame. So I think we can differentiate that which substances produces flame and which substances do not produces the flame. So children, in the next part, we'll discuss the structure of candle flame. This is a very, very important part of this chapter. So different flames of the candle are there that I think you are able to see here. This is the outermost zone. And if you have seen the flame carefully, then you can see that outermost part or the zone of the flame is blue in color. The outermost zone, which is blue in color, is known as non-luminous zone. And as I had told you earlier that if it is of blue color, it means complete combustion takes place here. After that comes a, and one thing more children, the outermost zone of flame is the hottest part. So here I had written that outermost zone is known as a non-luminous zone, and non-luminous zone is that your hottest part of the flame. Next comes the middle zone. The color of the flame is yellow, and that is known as a luminous zone. And in this zone, partial combustion take place. And it is moderately hot. Moderately means not too less and not too high. Third type of zone is inner zone. Color is black and it contains unburnt wax vapors. And this one is the least hot zone. So here we have discussed the three zones of candle flame. First is a outer zone, blue color, complete combustion takes place, and another name is a non-luminous zone. Second is middle zone, and third is the innermost zone. Children, I want to tell you one thing, that goldsmith blow the outermost zone of a flame with a metallic blowpipe for melting gold and silver. And I think the answer, you know that why goldsmith always uses the outermost zone. So the answer is that outermost zone is the hottest part of the flame. That's why goldsmith uses only the outermost part of the flame. So this was the structure of the candle flame. Now discussed, a few things are there. Outermost zone, already we had discussed, it is a complete combustion of a fuel takes place. Color of the flame is blue. It is the hottest part of the flame and non-luminous part of the flame. Middle zone, partial combustion of a fuel takes place. Color is yellow, moderately hot and luminous part of the flame. And in the inner zone, unburnt vapors of fuel are there and the color is black and it is least hot. So children, till then, thank you. In next video, we'll discuss the different types of fuel.